we need tweezers, a 1.5mm screwdriver, a 3mm screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First thing is to take the flange out. Take this out. There are 8 screws here, we only have one at the moment. And carefully remove the cryo shield. We loosen the central screw, but not remove it completely. And we carefully remove the laser screws. And it's such a good thing. Loosen a bit the laser itself carefully from the sides, then remove the laser. And there is a piece of indium foil that is sometimes attached to the bottom of the NS mount, must be removed separately. Flatten carefully the indium foil. Like this, and then put it on an uneven surface like this. Put the laser on the indium foil.
Ah ouais, tu mets les deux ensemble.
Align them. Add a screw. And holding it from the bottom of the screw, add the laser on the cold finger. Add the second screw. You can monitor the contact through the limo connector. We don't have a contact at the moment, and as we tighten the Phillips head, we get contact. Add 2 turns or 2 half turns. Add the cryo shield, making sure that it's aligned with one of the holes. There are 8 screws. The laser emission is through here. The orange window is the KRS5 window for transparency at 16 micron, so it needs to be put on the side of the laser. And the flange. And the laser is still connected. To insert the LE2 line into the cryostat, first we put the head on the LE2 line, then the joint, then the O-ring. And okay, so we connect the pump line on this side. It is open in this position, closed in this position. To remove the vacuum, there is a safety valve that we can use